Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 20th of December 2024. The day is Friday. I am Dukas Copy's trading community member, and please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy because I am not their employee. That's why all the views, opinions, or the trading ideas that I am going to discuss with you, they are of my own. It has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy bank. Now, what I'm going to do here in the next few 20 minutes or so, I will be discussing the key levels for observation or to actually plan our trading setups around those levels, which are very important from my point of view. And as a technical analyst, I know that every piece of information, whether it is fundamental or technical, is already priced into the chart. So we'll only focus our energy on the charts to read the price, and we'll see how we can use the key levels that I tell you to frame the setups on the trading. Okay, now of course these are not the trading advices that I'm going to tell you. These are just for observation or for learning how to read the price. If you want to trade the real money, you should do your own research. Okay, at the end of the session I will be taking questions from the viewers, so please be ready with your questions if you have any, and I'll be very happy to answer those questions in the live stream. Now before we begin, I must take you through the standard risk disclaimer, because we are talking about forex, and forex is traded on the margin. So you need to know what is there on the chart. Okay, now you can pause the video here, you can read these 4 paragraphs and then only move to the charts. Now in the charts, I want to show you first is the dollar index. This is always I do. First of all, I go to the dollar index. Now what is happening in the dollar? Okay, when we were somewhere here, I remember that the last week we closed somewhere here. Okay, and I said, okay, we have closed above this fair value gap, so now we are expected to go higher and trade this fair value gap again. And I think we have done that. And now you see this bearish engulfing. This is the resistance zone. Okay, this is the zone of resistance. I think I should have made it red so that you have a pretty good idea that this is a resistance zone. This is support zone. Now the support zone, if it has to break, either it will break just like that, okay, or if it does not have to break, then the 50% should be respected first. So I'm expecting actually the 50% to be respected in this market, and then the price go to the 50% of this, because I'm expecting a break to the upside. Okay, and I want price to trade this 111. Now what I want, will that happen? We are not sure that whether that will happen or not. What we are looking for is price to reach for the upper fair value gap. Now this may offer you some support. That means if you are not short in the dollar already from these highs, which you should not be, then do not look for selling opportunities right now. Do not look for any selling opportunities. The price is already in the area of support. Okay, that is this thing. And if you're looking for the buying opportunities, you may look for the buying opportunities, but from the mid of this fair value gap. Okay, that is one thing. So if I'm saying that do not look for the selling opportunities in the dollar, what does it mean? Do not look for the buying opportunities in the pound. Do not look for the buying opportunity in the cable, I will say, not pound. Do not buy cable right now. No. This may be just a pullback at the weekend. This is Friday. So the price may go back to this fair value gap, which it has inversed, and may try to push lower to 1.2445, which is our sell side liquidity. It was never traded, you see. So I'm expecting the prices to reach for actually 1.2419 before heading higher. Right now, this value, this area is not important from where the price is reversing right now. It is supposed to reverse from this area, 1.2419 area. Okay, yeah, keep that in mind. We are not looking for buying the pound. We are looking for selling the pound. What about the euro? Same goes for the euro. We are not looking for buying the euro here. No. That's not the truth. Okay, we are looking for selling the euro, and this low, or I'll say this low that the price had just may be a good area of opportunity to go short. But right now it looks like a bullish engulfing. But the only problem here is that before making this bullish engulfing, it did not take the liquidity below 1.0332, which I don't like. The price should have taken, or it should have swept below this, like this, and then moved higher. Okay, had it moved higher like this, then I would have said, okay, now it's time to look for the buys. But now is not the time to look for the buy. And is still to look for the sells, at least these lows, 1.0332. And after that, I would love to see the price digging into this fair value gap. Then when it reverses, I will look for the buying opportunities. Right now, I will be looking for the selling opportunities. If not today, maybe Monday. Okay, this is Friday. Do not look for any opportunities now. Now I think the day is already over. Same goes for the Australian dollar. Look for the selling opportunities only. May not be from here, maybe from here in the case of Australian dollar. Okay. Yes, it has taken the liquidity below this and this, but there is still liquidity lying below 0.6170. And it has not come even close to that. Okay, it has come close to that. But still, I'll be looking for the selling opportunities still. Okay. Same goes for the New Zealand dollar. It has taken, okay, it has dipped the fair value gap. There is liquidity below 5512. 5512. Okay, the price can actually come to this. So next week we will establish if the price is able to give a close above this. This is a breakaway gap. If the price is able to give us a close above this fair value gap, then we will start looking for buy. All right. If it does not, then we will not look for buy. All right, guys. This is the fair value gap that we are looking for. I mean, this is the observation gap, and this is the gap from where the 50% of which we will be looking for the selling opportunities. This is nothing. All right. I hope you get the point. USD CHF. USD CHF, we have reversed from a level which is not of very good, there's nothing here on the left. So the price should not reverse from here. Yes, it can trade the fair value gap once again, or at least 50% of it, and then rise. But right now, this doesn't look good. The price is going higher. It should keep going higher until it meets some resistance zone. This is not a resistance. This is not a resistance. This is the resistance. So I'm expecting actually higher prices next week. Next week means till the time it doesn't reach here, I'll be expecting higher prices. Same goes for the USD/JPY, but the USD/JPY has met only this fair value gap. This is the ultimate where the price is supposed to reject. Now, of course, this is getting rejected, but see, the selling is not much. It has not even traded the low of yesterday's candle. So I'll say it is an inside bar, and there will be a more fair value gap generated here maybe tomorrow. And we will have, I think, Monday or Tuesday traded this fair value gap and headed higher towards 161.894. Although I'm not expecting this to be taken out, but if it takes out, then nothing like it. Okay. Bitcoin, finally, this fair value gap still getting respected. This fair value gap has been inversed now, so I'll be looking for selling opportunities in this fair value gap if it creates here. This is a very small one. You see, this is a very small one. If it is getting created, I'll be looking for the selling opportunities if the price trades this area. Now you might be thinking, okay, the fair value gap is traded, now it should go. No, it should not go higher because there's a market structure shift now. This low, this is a, what you call it, swing low has been taken out. So I'll be looking for the selling opportunities. If not here, then maybe here. Brent, we are looking for the lower prices in the Brent, although okay, it is also reversing from a random level. I'm expecting lower prices in this one. Even if it starts rising from here, I will see if it can reverse from this fair value gap once more. Although I don't want the price to go and reach till here because there's a change in the state of delivery below this. After this candle's closing, we have only seen the price rising and then getting rejected from this green candle. There's no reason for the price to go higher from here. This is the fair value gap rated candle. Okay, this is an order block actually. From here, the price can go higher. This is an order block, guys. That's a problem. Okay, gold. Yeah, gold finally traded the bearish fair value gap that created yesterday and is not able to sustain higher. You see, if it closes below this fair value gap again, then Monday's candle can be very bearish candle, boom, 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 like this. Let us see how the things unfold. Can that candle push the prices to this rectangle? Okay, euro did not close the day higher than level gap, but it closed above the 50%. You see yesterday. So today there was a rejection from the bottom, and there's a creation of bullish fair value gap. Now this bullish fair value gap can push the prices further. Okay, once it is traded, it can push the prices further. Though I am not expecting it to be traded, I'm expecting the price to getting rejected from the 50% most of the time. Now on Monday, if the on Monday, if the price today closed above 50%, if this candle closes above 50%, then next time the price will not come to the bottom of this fair value gap. Then there is no point of trading this fair value gap also. So price will get rejected from the 50% and go higher. That is what my expectation is in the case of Euro JPY. Provided it closes the day today, that is after 4 hours and 41 minutes, it should stay above 162.83, which I think is the potential case. Yeah, it looks like the price is holding. And there's a lot of buying here. It looks like, okay, as of now, I don't know what will happen in the next 4 hours. We'll see. And thereafter we have GBP AUD. This can be a trade of the year. I am retrading it more and more. This can be a trade of the year. This pound is, I'm very bullish on the pound and I'm very bearish on the Australian dollar, and GBP AUD may be your trade of the year. There may be buying opportunity here or here somewhere, but yes, you have to be ready to buy the pound against the Australian dollar. HFJPY, this area is broken. Finally, the price closed higher. Now this is the gap that is being traded. Yesterday, the price closed above that. Today, the price has again come below it. If it closes below it, then this will still be a valid fair value gap, and the prices will be pushed back to this area. Australian dollar against the New Zealand is weak on the 15-minute, but I think on the daily it is green. No. Till yesterday it was green. There is no fair value gap here. The high of this fair value gap is respecting the price. 50% also I think is getting respected. You have a measurement from the price. So it closed definitely above the 50%. So now the 50% should get respected. And if the price 50% is able to respect the price and the price is able to close above the 50% again, say what is 50%? I'm talking about this 50%. If the price is able to close above 1.0680, then we can look for higher prices in the ODI against the New Zealand. Gas has taken all the targets, so this will be our title of the day today. EuroCAD, we are looking for the selling opportunities. We have got the selling opportunities, but there is no fair value gap on the way down. That is the problem. So consequent encroachment rejection. Now I'll be expecting a lower rejection, that is 1.4999 or 1.5 area should reject the price on Monday and push it to this. So EuroCAD is my favorite to sell in the coming time. Ethereum finally closed below fair value gap. You see, once the price closes below fair value gap, what happens? It traded this fair value gap and has not gone higher than this fair value gap. So that means if this gap, now this is inversed gap 1, and also there is a fair value gap over here. You see, guys, this is immense. Now if the price is not able to close higher than this fair value gap or 50% above this fair value gap, then Monday or tomorrow maybe the price will go down again. Now you may see this as a double bottom or something, but I see it as a fair value gap on the way down. This is my breakaway gap now. This was never traded. You see, this gap was never traded. So people did not get the selling opportunity here. Now they will get the selling opportunity here tomorrow or maybe the after. If they don't take this opportunity, then they may lose this ship also, and the price will sink. I will say sink. It may even go to the dustbin. That's all, guys, from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask, and I would like to wrap up the session. All right, I hope you know about the support and the resistance level that will be of interest in the coming hours and days. Just remember to only risk less than 1% of your entire equity on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. Now, with this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section once the video is published. And if you're new here watching this first time, please consider subscribing to this channel for more such videos and webinars. Have a good day. Thanks very much for watching. See you on Monday, 1700 GMT. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Happy weekend. Happy holidays.